Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the TABNINE application on your PC. So let's get started right away. In order to download TABNINE, you will need to install the web browser version. So open up your web browser first and then in the address bar type in tabnine.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official TABNINE website. Now you can click on the login or sign up button at the top right corner and proceed with logging into your account if you wish to do so, but you can also directly click on the three dots at the top right corner to proceed with installing the application. Now if you're using Chrome browser, you will need to hover over to save and share and then click on save link as shortcut or the create shortcut button. Or if you're using the Edge browser, you can click on the three dots at the top right and then hover over to apps. Then you can click on install this site as an app and then rename the TABNINE application whatever you wish, and also edit the application icon by clicking on edit. After making your desired changes, click on the install button and now this will open up TABNINE in its own separate browser window. You can click on create desktop shortcut and click on the allow button and click on yes within the notification pane. And now the TABNINE application shortcut will be created on your desktop and you can double click this to directly access TABNINE from your desktop. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the TABNINE application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.